today we're learning how to change a light bulb. Step one, changing a light bulb, is to buy the light bulbs. I'm using Walmart brand because in Casa de Sam we only use the finest of items. Step two is to identify your light bulb needing replacement and make sure that the light bulb's actually out. Step three, removing the dead bulb. So first you carefully place your hand on said light bulb and screw it counterclockwise. That means to the left. Step four, get your new light bulb. We'll these there. Take the new light bulb and turn it into the empty light bulb slot clockwise. That means to the right. Until it doesn't turn anymore. Then, step five, moment of truth, you turn the on knob. And voila, a brand new functioning light bulb. And there you have it. Shout out to Walmart for making only the highest quality items. Although it may seem complicated, you too can learn how to change a light bulb. With enough practice and dedication, you might be able to master it in only a few tries. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more life-saving, helpful videos like this. And I will bring you guys something hopefully even more helpful if that's possible for the next one.